people of the fruitbowl, Banana Boss here again with another Scratch tutorial. So I was meant to do this last time that I was doing a video, no not last time, but the first time I was doing a video, but I completely forgot about it. So, what I'm going to be doing this episode is teach you how to make your Sprite walk. So, we have the wonderful Felix here. So let's just name him Felix because that's what he's usually called. Otherwise there wouldn't be a game default in Scratch called Felix now, but. And let's just because I feel like it, let's just call this grassy. Grass. And then I will call this stage nothing. I'll just call it stage. So this is basically the simple way of how to create a walking sprite. So first, I'm just gonna put all of this stuff in here. So I'm also, oh yeah, I forgot to get the ore, so. Wait. Why isn't this working? Oh well, looks like I'll have to do this. Oh no, it's because. Right. Oh yeah, that's it. That's why. I'm a bit dumb. Well, really, but oh well. A or A or A or A or A or A or A. And then, of course, you need that, and then you will need this. So let's say that's or. Wait, why did I get 3 ores? We only need 2. And then we will need 2 of the keys pressed. So it's either right arrow key or D. Yeah. Right arrow or D. So if space key pressed, that, change Y by 1, wait 0.5 seconds. Repeat 10 times, change Y by -1. So let's just test if that works. No, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't work as well as I hoped. So we'll need to make that 3 and that -3. Now that's a bit too long of a wait in between it. So let's make it 0.1. No, still not that realistic. 0.03. No, still not realistic enough. 0.005. Still not that realistic. 0.0005. That's more realistic. Even though I don't even think it changed, but oh well. Point in direction left. Wait. No. Move 10 steps. Move 10 steps. Point in direction -90. Point in direction 90. So. Quite simply, oh gosh, oh gosh, no, just no, that's just no, just no, just no, what the bar? Okay, technical difficulties. Let's say that it goes there. Oh, wait, I know why, silly me. Forgot to do that. And also, when that happens, go to that. So now, But one other thing. It needs to change costume. So, you need to go to next costume. And next costume. So, it's like, fastest one in the world, you know. And then quite simply like so. So this is how to simply, and you can also make racing games. So I'll show you how to do that in the next episode. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and I will see you next time in my Scratch tutorial where I will teach you how to make a race. Banana Boss out.